there is a certain important ratio to balance the page between the text and the images. The simplest way of doing this is a way that I devised. I had heard that the strictest, most disciplinarian editor in the industry, who was a reputedly very unpleasant man called Mort Wiesinger, who was an editor on Superman back in the 60s. But he had said that if you've got a 6-panel comic book page, you could have no more than 35 words per panel. So I thought, well, if that's strict, that's probably a good law of thumb to go by. So that means, 6 times 35, that's 210. So if you've got 6 panels on a page, roughly 35 words per panel should be your maximum. If you've got 9 panels on a page, it's 23 words. If you've got 4 panels on a page, it's about 52 words per panel. So these are the simple technical things.